Possible buy in crude oil. I'm going to put this one on the board, guys. Aggressive trade in crude oil. Aggressive trade in crude oil. Come on, we got to get up above that 88.39 sticking point. If we jump above that, we should have no problem to the upside. We got to, if we get to 88.40, we should be good. There's a lot of contracts sitting at 88.39. So one could have waited for another bar to close up and get a more decent upslope, break out of this consolidation area. That would have been a much more conservative way to have played this crude oil trade. So we'll see what ends up happening here. I'm irritated I got into that crude oil trade and took my focus away from the NASDAQ because I really like this short in the NASDAQ. That was a nice trade for a win. Really like that NASDAQ short. So loser there in crude oil. A very aggressive posture on that trade. In retrospect, you know, a little too aggressive because of the consolidation. I should have demanded that it show that it was ready to give us a little better movement. Getting long right here in the NASDAQ, guys. Long right here in the NASDAQ. We are looking good. Oh, that was mean. So I got pretty lucky in my exit, guys. I moved my order and ended up with a break-even exit right before that pop. You can see any of the I'm not even going to count that as a winning or you know, a winning trade because that negative spike to the downside would have got pretty much everyone. I got very fortunate there in the way I was moving my orders. I'm going to count that as a losing trade.